If you decide the probiotics are right for your dog, our favorite is Purina Fortiflora Canine Nutritional Supplement, which is designed to treat common gastrointestinal issues like diarrhea. It comes in single-use sachets that are easy to incorporate into your dog's normal feeding routine. We also recommend several other probiotic supplements that may better match your and your dog's needs. There are numerous options for cheap best probiotics for dogs, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best probiotics for dogs from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Purina Pro Plan Veterinary Dice Fortiflora Powder Digestive Supplement for Dogs. Purina Fortiflora Canine Nutritional Supplement comes in pre-measured packets, making it easier to ensure that your dog is getting a daily dose of probiotics. Designed to be sprinkled over your dog's food, Fortiflora is liver-flavored, making it irresistible to most dogs. The Purina Probiotic Supplement Powder also provides vitamin E, protein, and antioxidants. Fortiflora is meant in particular for puppies and adult dogs with diarrhea problems. It can also help reduce flatulence. According to Purina, Fortiflora uses a specific strain of Enterococcus faecium, a bacteria commonly found in human and animal digestive systems. Enterococcus has several cited advantages, including hardy growth that crowds out disease-causing bacteria like E. coli, and its long history of reliable use in probiotic research. Purina Fortiflora is sold in packs of 30, providing you with a month's supply. A chewable version is also available. Number 2. NaturVet Advanced Probiotics and Enzymes Plus. NaturVet's advanced probiotic soft chews include Bacillus subtilis, a durable bacteria found in the digestive systems of cows and humans that may contribute to healthier gut flora. It also contains Bacillus coagulans, a probiotic approved for veterinary use by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration that's been demonstrated to improve nutrient digestibility. But the NaturVet chews offer more than beneficial gut flora. They also incorporate supplemental stomach enzymes, including protease and cellulose, which aid in the breakdown of meat and vegetable materials in your dog's food. It's a comprehensive approach to fortifying your dog's digestion as much as possible. While many supplement makers can be frustratingly opaque, NaturVet is a subsidiary of Swedish pet healthcare company Swedencare, and takes a number of steps to verify the quality of its supplements, including compliance with FDA Current Good Manufacturing Practice (CGMP) regulations, with regular third-party audits by UL Labs, and certification from the National Animal Supplement Council. NaturVet Advanced Probiotics are also available in powder form, if you prefer to use it as a direct mealtime supplement. Number 3. Fera Pet Organics USDA Organic Probiotics with Prebiotics. This vet-formulated scoop and serve ultra-fine powder is packed with pre and probiotics. You'll find an impressively high number of strains. There are 12 different strains in total, which surpasses the number found in most pet probiotic products. The ingredients are certified USDA organic, third-party tested, and made in GMP-registered facilities. You won't find additives, fillers, or anything potentially iffy or synthetic in this product, either. The formula is tasteless, odorless, and colorless, making it extra simple to mix into your dog's food undetected. For this reason, it's a win for many pet parents who have picky eaters on their hands. In addition to supporting general gastrointestinal wellness, this product is formulated to help lessen bad breath and diarrhea. This powder formula is safe for use in both dogs and cats, which offers additional savings and convenience to multi-pet households. It's also shelf-stable. Number 4. Amazing Nutritionals Probiotic Joint Chewable Tablets. As your dog ages, new problems may begin to pop up. Tackle any developing digestive dilemmas and ease joint pain with a probiotic for senior dogs, like Amazing Nutritionals Probiotics Joint Formula. This supplement is for dogs who suffer from arthritis, joint pain, and stiffness. It omits many of the most common allergens for dogs, including wheat, corn, soy, egg, gluten, and more, but includes 7 billion CFU of beneficial bacteria. In addition, your dog will get a dose of MSM, chondroitin, and glucosamine to ease any arthritis and support joint and cartilage health. It's also supplemented with stomach enzymes to bolster digestion. Amazing Nutritionals Probiotics Joint Formula is made in the United States in a GMP organic certified facility. Number 5. Nutramax Proviable-DC Digestive Health Supplement. While not a powder in the traditional sense, this break-apart capsule offers a powder-like, sprinkle-friendly interior. Simply open the capsule and deposit the small pellet-like contents in your pup's food bowl for a virtually taste-free bacteria boost. The formula is brimming with good bacteria, incorporating 7 different strains. Moreover, each capsule offers 5 billion CFU per serving. in addition to gut-regulating probiotics, which may help with digestive issues related to stress and diet changes, and thus may abate unpleasantries like loose stool and vomiting. These capsules also contain prebiotics, which essentially function as food for the good bacteria to thrive and work their best. This formula is safe to use for both dogs and cats, making it a convenient option for multi-pet households. For what it is, the value for money is ideal, too. Lastly, this pill can be used in short-term scenarios as well as every day over the long term, depending on your pet's specific needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.